For 30 years, one trade agreement quietly built North America's modern economy. The United States just confirmed it will not renew it. No renewal, no replacement deal, just annual reviews from now on. And that change is more than it sounds like. This agreement, first NAFTA, then USMCA, is why a car can be partially built in Mexico, assembled in the US, with parts from Canada, all without tariffs slowing it down at every border crossing. If this deal builds so much of the modern North American economy, why walk away from renewing it now? NAFTA was signed in 1994, tying the three economies together for the first time at this scale. It was renegotiated into USMCA in Trump's first term, and at the time it was framed as a win for all three countries. The US Trade Representative has now confirmed there will be no formal renewal. Instead, the three countries move to a system of annual reviews and ongoing negotiation, rather than a fixed long-term agreement. For industries built around this predictability, cars especially, that uncertainty has real costs. Manufacturers plan years ahead. A system that can shift every year makes long-term planning much harder. And uncertainty in trade policy has a way of showing up later, quietly in consumer prices. Most people will not immediately connect back to this decision. Three ways this could go, and again speculation, not certainty. 1. Annual reviews settle into a stable new normal with only minor friction. 2. Repeated negotiation cycles create chronic uncertainty, pushing manufacturers to relocate production elsewhere. 3. A genuinely new agreement eventually replaces the annual review system entirely. Trade deals aren't just paperwork, they are the invisible infrastructure behind everyday prices, and dismantling predictability has caused that shock quietly months later in ways most people never trace back to the source. Next, I want to break down how trade deals actually work from ground up. What's really in the fine print. Subscribe if you want that one. This is Maps and Power.